Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you our experience with the LG refrigerator which we had bought around a month back, but unfortunately we have to get it replaced. So I will tell you about its specifications and its storage capacity compared to our old refrigerator also, and what is the problem with this, why we have to get it replaced, and I will also show you our new replaced refrigerator. So its model number I will mention below. It has a gross volume of 420 liters and a storage capacity of 388 liters, and as you can see its electricity consumption is 230 units per year. It's sufficient for a family of 4 to 5 members. And yes, we bought it from LG showroom, so I will not be providing any link below, but this model is available online also on both Amazon and Flipkart. We had actually checked a lot of brands and models online also, and finally we rounded up on this particular model of LG as it was meeting well to our requirements of storage capacity and the price range we were looking for. So now back to its specs. It has a smart inverter compressor, which means it can work on inverter also and switches automatically to a lower power consumption when power shifts to inverter, and its cooling is also reduced on this mode. As you can see, it's a 3-star refrigerator, and its other features are ice beam door cooling, which cools the door compartments faster, and it works without a stabilizer, and it has a shiny steel look. And one thing more, if you have a limited space where you want to place your refrigerator, you have to be careful of the length and width of the refrigerator. This is one of the reasons we visited the showroom, so as to have a better idea about its size. A slightly bigger one would not have passed through our kitchen door, and actually for this also we had to get our kitchen door removed, and even then it barely passed through the frame of the door. But this is a good thing. I had wanted the door to be removed since a long time, and now the kitchen is kind of an open one, and I can keep a watch on the kids from here. Now let's see the refrigerator from inside. So here we have 4 racks which are movable. Their height can be adjusted according to the requirement, and these are made of toughened glass. Below the 4th rack is the convertible box. We can adjust the cooling of this box, and if you have to keep milk packets, I would recommend to move this slider towards low temperature. And this is the vegetable and fruits basket with the movable divider given. And here is the ice beam door cooling, which helps in cooling the things here really fast. On the top shelf we are given this egg tray. This is also removable with this slider cover. What I like most about these LG refrigerator models is the ample space provided in the door with 3 compartments, and each compartment is quite roomy, In other brands, I noticed that most of the models have the lower door compartment missing, and they have given a bigger vegetable basket instead. So this was my major concern, as I do not store that many fruits and vegetables. But as you can see, I have lots and lots of jars and bottles to store, and here everything is easily visible also. The temperature control button is given at the back, and this is quite convenient compared to the knob we were given in our old refrigerator. And this is a pull out tray. These are the ducts for the ice beam door cooling. Now let's move on to the freezer. Its freezer is also quite spacious, with two shelves on in the main part and two on the door. And here we get the ice tray and the collector, the ice collector below. This is the cooling adjustment knob, and the maximum number, that is 8, means highest level of cooling in this. So now let me show you the difference in refrigerator size and storage volume compared to our old refrigerator, which had a storage capacity of 246 liters. So this is the size difference from outside, and this is from inside. So in this new one, we can keep almost 2 egg crates of 30 eggs side by side in one shelf. And this is our old one. So as you can see, only a small box can be kept beside it. So this is the space difference from inside. So now let me tell you why we had to get this refrigerator replaced. So when the fridge arrived, its freezer was not working properly. So we raised a complaint with LG, and when the engineer checked it, he said its gas had leaked during transit and they will get it filled. But we are of the opinion, if we purchase something new, it should not be opened up and repaired immediately. So we told them to simply replace it, and this took nearly a month because the same model was not available with them. So after a lot of phone calls and negotiations, the showroom owner offered us several models, and finally the model that could fit in our space turned out to be a 2-star model, but its other features and storage are same, so that is not much of an issue. Plus it is even more beautiful on the outside with this dark grey color and some horizontal lines design given, and I just love its look. It is way better than that shiny steel look, and it is a change for us because our old refrigerator also had that shiny steel look, and this is a different design, so it's perfect and it is working properly. But we were not refunded the amount difference because of the 3-star and 2-star change. They have a policy that if the difference is less than 10%, they will not refund it. They just increase the warranty by 1 year. So we have a 2-year warranty with this refrigerator, and you can see the space is same, everything is same. In fact, only the star difference is there. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews every week. Thank you for watching. Bye.